In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually add trades to TradeZella. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Add Trade button at the top left, and then here you can either add a new account, select your broker, and then here select Add Manually, and then click on Continue, and then from here you can go ahead and select the type you want to add. For example, crypto, I could go and type in the symbol, like for example, Bitcoin USD, and then you have to click Create New Execution, and this is where you can manually add trades. So you could go ahead and just type in your date and time or select from the calendar over here. Then you have to select the number of contracts, for which I'm going to do one right now. The side can be either buy or sell. Then you have to put in your price, which I'm going to do 87K today. And then you can add in commissions and fees in case that's relevant. And then you can just go ahead and either add another one or not. You can delete it like this and click on Save Trade. Now, when you do this, it's basically going to basically add that trade, and you've successfully manually added trades. Of course, you could also do this if you have an account connected already. You just have to go to your Add Trade again, click on this plus button to add trades, and it's going to allow you to actually manually add trades via the same interface over here. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.